What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a whole bunch of Hot Wheels that I've picked up recently. Most of them are new in the package, but I did pick up a couple of loose cars. So let's start with one of those. Whoa, almost got away from me with those crazy fast gold Hot One wheels. You're probably saying, J-Dog, you have that one already, and I absolutely do. I have both of the common teal versions, but this one's a little bit different. It has like a pink box around the Z28. So I brought out this one to show you the difference. This is perfectly mint, by the way. This one has a couple of imperfections, but finding this version with this little pink box is weird. Look at that. It's so strange. Even on the front, I think. I mean, obviously it's a little bit different color, but it has a little pink box. Yeah, so I saw that. And actually, when I picked this one up, I was actually trying to find one. I saw one with an orange box around the Z28, and I was right about to buy it, but someone literally beat me to it by a matter of like, it must have been like a second or two. So yeah, pretty crazy. Variations I didn't really know about. I'm not the hugest variation quote-unquote collector, but I love me some Camaros, and you know, I was just in the mood to buy me some third-gen Camaros. So there's that one. Next one up is also extremely awesome. Check this out, you guys. I found this Super California Custom truck, loose mint condition. These are pretty rare. These very rarely come up. I have the other one, of course. Let me grab that one too. Show these together. Let's call it Big Surprise or something like that. I forget the exact name. Maybe I'll put it on screen if I go look it up if I remember to. But love this. It's so beautifully like early 90s. You know, just like this one. It's like a Trapper Keeper, which I love. I absolutely love it. The one on the left obviously has the chrome grill. This one has the baby pink one. I love them both. They're both amazing, but this one is far more rare. You never see this one come up for sale. So this one I actually had a bid on. I forgot what I paid, like 15 or 20 bucks, but it's not 100% perfect. I would still call it mint. Mint to me is like between 8.5 and 9, and gem mint, you know, would be like a 10. And back in the day, they had side view mirrors, which is awesome. All right, so I'll put those ones right there. All right, those are the only loose ones I have. Let's see, I've been anxious to get this one out of the way. Check it out, I found it. You guys know that I grew up a Honda head. I used to have a Prelude exactly this body style. Mine was black. And I've been looking for this Night Burnerz 5-pack just for that Prelude. All right, there it is. So yeah, so I now have every single Prelude that Hot Wheels has ever dropped. And we got the, oh man, are you serious? Damn it, Hot Wheels. Now I gotta go find another 5-pack. What a pain in the ass. Talk about some crappy quality control. What is it with these die-cast companies? They can't get something so simple. Like, that's crazy. Wow, that just destroyed all my excitement for this car. What a bummer. Otherwise, it'd be cool, but unfortunately, it's ruined. And honestly, I don't like any other cars. So, I mean, I literally bought it for that one car. I mean, I guess this one's pretty cool, this RX-7. It's pretty nice. It has nice taillights. Not a big fan of yellow. But the yellow and white, I guess, looks okay. It's got side view mirrors. Pretty nice. The taillights really make it for me. That's pretty nice. It has that. But, I mean, look at this other... I mean, what even is this? This is just a piece of junk. Just garbage going straight in the trash can. Let's see, what is this? This thing's okay. Nice Datsun truck. It's cool. Chrome base. Tan paint. It's decent. Not bad. And then, what is this? A McLaren Speedtail. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, yeah. And it is nice that it's purple, but I mean, I have so many of these. I'm not even the hugest fan of that casting, but it's cool, I guess. All right, so, man, that is a huge disappointment. I'm so bummed. Wow. I'm gonna kill my buzz, Hot Wheels. Thank you so much. Let's see, hopefully these other ones won't be such a buzzkill. Let's see, we got one premium to crack open. Might as well crack that one. This is Alfa Romeo. Love this casting. It's really cool. I don't know a lot about Alfa Romeo, but I just thought this one looked really cool. I think all of them were on the peg, but I didn't want any other ones. I think Holden is just Chevy in Australia and possibly some other countries. That Mercedes-Benz is pretty cool. Don't really care for the Supra or that Corvette. So yeah, so this is really the only one I was after, and I was lucky enough to pick it up and store it. Alright, and here it is. I love these wheels. TE37, it's got a plastic wing. Really detailed front end. Yeah, it looks super nice. Again, we got some side view mirrors. So we got a snake. That's pretty cool. Beautiful taillight details and emblems. Quad exhausts. Wow. And there's our metal painted black base. Pretty cool. Yeah, nice looking car. Very cool. Oh, it's got a roll cage in there too. Full cage. Wow, that's really cool. Straight up race car. Excellent. Awesome. Let's put that one right there. Now, these the next three I have are pretty rare. They're all Camaros. Let's do this one first. This one dropped in 2006, as it says right there on the package. It's a purple convertible 69 Camaro. Very cool. Little eBay pickup, like $5 or something. One I didn't have, and again, I was just in the mood to buy some Hot Wheels. Here we go. All right, there we go. Got some nice chrome 5 spokes, Camaro SS tampo on the side, some pinstriping. Beautiful metallic purple. Can't go wrong with that. Like normal, there's not a lot of taillight details. The grille looks pretty nice though. I like the chromey plastic base, that's nice. Oops. Very nice. Nice white interior. Very cool. Very happy to add that one to the collection. Thank goodness that the paint looks good. All right, next one I think is even older. I mean, I'm almost positive. Check it out. This old school 2-pack. It was a Walgreens exclusive. How cool is that, right? Let's see if we can figure out when it came out. Oh, okay, so it's a copyright of 07, so it probably came out in 08. So I guess it's a little bit older than that last one, but still really cool. Walgreens where I live never has Hot Wheels anymore. They just never ever do. Let's get to, oh, that opened up so easy. Guess the glue on that is so old it just kind of disintegrated. All right, so this is the 69 Camaro with a Thailand base. Again, we got some 5 spokes. This time we got a black interior. Ooh, okay. The stripes have a little bit of flame work on them too. Very cool. Nice. Yeah, I did not have this one. Nice to add that one to the collection. It will look really nice next to that purple one. And now, let's see. I think this is the exclusive one. I'm almost positive. It is a flat black, and I do mean flat. Man, there's no gloss on that whatsoever. It's got an orange windshield, which is kind of weird, but it's all right. We got some 7 spokes. 67 Camaro, Thailand base. Very interesting graphics. And this is from a time when they had opening hoods. Whoa. That's crazy. It's either painted gray, which I think it is, or it's just really dull metal. But no, I think it's painted. Awesome engine. It's so cool. You guys may or may not know, I'm going for as many 67 Camaros with opening hoods as I possibly can. Maybe even all of them someday. But yeah, that's a cool one. I did not have that one. I'm super stoked to add this one to the collection. Very awesome. But all right, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for chilling with me on this Saturday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Donk, and I will be your virtual collector friend. I don't have any friends that collect diecast. My brother Chris, he used to, but he's not really into it anymore. So this is a fun way for me to, join the community and, share all my collection with you guys and share my pickups. And hope you guys follow and subscribe and like and all that good stuff. And I will catch you dudes next time.